Welcome to GSL GM City 1720, Boat Trail, Southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. This Premier Redline Edition is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Traverse here, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, and power trunk down there, automatic headlights and fog lamps, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with forward collision warning cruise control, push-button ignition, and a very large touchscreen up front here. We do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating, wireless charging pad with USB ports, automatic shifter knob here, electronic controlled parking brake, your 4x4 dial or all-wheel drive dial, as well as traction control and lane keep assist. The vehicle has the all black interior with Bose audio equipment throughout, and our black leather heated and ventilated Traverse seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Premier Redline Edition Traverse here, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the signature red hash there, signature for the Redline Edition, Continental all-season tires on there. We have the two-tone beautiful gray ice silver metallic paint job here with the accenting black and the black chrome pieces, black door handles with keyless entry, Traverse with the red line, black on front, red behind there. Coming to the front of the vehicle, fog lamps, LED daytime running lamps. You do have the black bow tie as well as a camera system up front. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows, as well clear tail lamps with LED lighting. We have the black and red Traverse as well as your all-wheel drive badging, power tailgate, backup camera, dual chrome exhaust tips, and your blacked out Chevrolet bow tie. Taking a quick look at the interior again here, our leather 60/40 split. Both of these end seats are car seat ready as well as they are heated, the captain's chairs here. You have 3-stage heated seat controls, your rear climate controls, USB ports, and an auxiliary outlet. We do have the rubberized floor liners, dual pane sunroofs as well, independent of each other. We have the quick folding seats getting up and out of the way, giving us access to our third row here, a leather 60/40 split. Again, this is the 7-passenger Traverse. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. If this is your next Redline 7-passenger full-sized SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City. Shop online at gslgmcity.com.